We are presenting the biodiversity of spiders in the southwestern slope of Mount Arayat. Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity where each species, no matter how small, will have an important role to play. A larger number of plant species mean a greater variety of crops, greater species diversity, ensures the natural sustainability of for all life forms, and healthy ecosystems can better withstand and recover from a variety of disasters. In Mount Arayat is located in the northeastern of Angeles City in Luzon, Philippines. The northern and the southern peaks are considered remnants of a former crater rim with a width of 900 meters. There are many different arachnids in the Philippines. As with other arachnids, there is an abundance of fossils in the mid-Paleozoic and the latter part of Cenozoic. One of the species of the arachnids is the spider Araneae. Araneae are widely distributed in all types of environment. The group usually serve as a pest controllers and was an agroecosystem habitat. Most of the spiders are small, inconspicuous arthropods which are harmless to humans. People who are extremely allergic to spider venom don't react severely to any spider bite. Many people have phobia of spiders. However, knowing how to distinguish harmless from dangerous spiders, how to prevent them from entering the home, and how to control those that do enter can prevent with less concern and reduce the chances of harm to humans. Due to this study, the spiders present together with the abundant species, dominance, and the environmental factor associated to the spiders in the western slope of Mount Arayat will be determined and identified. This study will serve as a baseline data which can be used for future assessment of habitat transformation and climate change on biodiversity of spiders.
Statement of the problem. This study of the biodiversity of spiders in southwestern slope of Mount Arayat specifically aimed to answer the following. First question, what are the most dominant spider present in Mount Arayat and how do they differ morphologically with regards to body length, body color, and leg measurements? Second question, which of the species of will give the most occurrences in terms of the following diversity indices: frequency, relative frequency, density, relative density, dominance, relative dominance, and species diversity? And last question, how are the species of spiders in southwestern slope of Mount Arayat associated with the following environmental factors: temperature, soil pH, soil moisture, humidity, and altitude?
The purpose of the study was to record and determine the most abundant species of spider in the southwestern slope of Mount Arayat. This study provides valuable baseline data on spiders conserved in Mount Arayat, which can be used for future assessment of habitat transformation and climate change on biodiversity of spiders. As in the case with most effort to trace the most abundant spiders, this biodiversity study may contribute in the identification and number of the species of spiders, not only in Mount Arayat but also in the Philippines as a whole. And the limitation of the study. The study was delimited on the biodiversity of species of spiders in the southwestern slope of Mount Arayat. Each plot has a corresponding distance of 5 meters from each other. Every plot has a measurement of 5 by 5 meters. The study was conducted from May 7 to June 2018. Diversity induced such as frequency, relative frequency, density, species diversity, and importance were also determined. In addition, environmental factors such as humidity, altitude, air temperature, soil pH, soil moisture, and organic matter were also measured.
Methodology. This chapter shows the research design and procedure followed in analyzing the data. Research design. The descriptive survey of research was used on the biodiversity of spiders in the southwestern slope of Mount Arayat. Research procedure. Establishment of the study sites. The study was established in the southwestern slope of Mount Arayat. The study area was determined using the area cluster method for the establishment of the sites. One cluster area was established. The cluster area has a main plot and 4 subplots measuring 5 by 5 meters, with a distance of 25 meters between subplots and 25 meters between. Physical description of the study area. Description of the study was the following. Cluster 1, Plot 1 and 2. This station had an altitude of 93 to 105 meters above sea level. The area was inhabited by large trees and saplings. Plot 5 and 3. This station had an altitude of 98 to 105 meters above sea level. Main plot was open to sunlight. Plot 4. This station had an altitude of 99 to 105 meters. This station had the highest altitude. The area was semi-forest covered with large trees.
Collecting the specimens. The collection of the spider in the southwestern slope of Mount Arayat was done from May 11 to 29, 2018. During this time period, the said site was visited 4 times. Gathering the spider was done by mechanical method. Collected spiders were placed in vials. Each vials were labeled according to their species type. Any observed habits were recorded. Methods of preservation. Specimens were preserved in vials soaked in 70% ethyl alcohol with watertight tip covers. Identification procedure. The different species of spider in southwestern slope of Mount Arayat were identified by noting the following. Identification, classification, environmental factors. Environmental factors such as altitude, humidity, temperature, and soil analysis were gathered, recorded, and documented. Altitude. Altitude was determined using GPS status app for every visit to the said site. Series readings from the GPS were recorded to get this altitude of each plot with a unit of meter above sea level. Humidity. Atmospheric humidity was determined using the humidity table based upon the difference between wet and dry temperature reading and dry reading. Air temperature. Air temperature was determined using a thermometer. Wet and dry thermometer reading were done during the said time period. To get the dry temperature reading, the thermometer was hung in a branch of tree for 15 to 3 minutes. 15 minutes. Soil analysis. Soil moisture, soil pH were taken and subjected to PSA Chem-Lab Maganong, Pampanga. To get the soil moisture for each plot, 100 grams of soil sample was taken, then heated for 9 hours with the use of sunlight. The soil pH was done twice during the said time period. To get the soil pH in unselected area, the soil was dug 2 to 4 cm above top, then poured distilled water. Then the pH paper was soaked for less than 30 seconds. After then compared to the corresponding equivalent color of the pH paper to the pH color table.
Results and discussion. Distribution and occurrence of spiders in southwestern slope of Mount Arayat. Among the 10 species, the Cyclodes padilla got the highest number of individuals, which is 242 over 277. The population analysis of spider, also the Cyclodes padilla got the highest frequency, which is 1, the relative frequency, which is 18.519, the density, which is 9.68, relative density, which is 87.7632. The dominance is 1.7632, relative dominance, which is 0.6365, and the important value is 107.6.6.